Hi, you're welcome to this video on how to manage psychomotor skills as an admin on the SchoolTry portal. In case you've not subscribed to this YouTube channel, ensure you click on the subscription button, the notification icon to be updated of further videos as they are released. Psychomotor skills are extracurricular skills that every student possesses. It could be in athletics, it could be in other extracurricular activities in the school. That is, aside from learning in class, there are other attributes that makes a student more effective in class, and that is psychomotor skills. And as a special feature on the SchoolTry service, we ensure that these skills is carefully and critically evaluated per student in each class. So how can you do this on the SchoolTry portal? This tutorial video is designed for you. The first thing you're going to do is you visit your dashboard, your administrative dashboard, and on this administrative dashboard, this is where you'll be able to manage psychomotor skills of a student in real time. And how do you do this? You come to teachers panel and you come to the first, second, third, fourth. The fourth line here, which is manage grade. You click on manage grade and you find manage psychomotor skills. Click on psychomotor skills and you'll be met with a screen that is similar to this. And one of the things you're going to discover is that some psychomotor skills has already been created. We have the likes of creative activities, we have handwriting and other things. And of course, this is how these skills were added. And this is why this tutorial video is meant for you, to show you how it will be added, how this already created one will be added in less than 20 seconds. So here is what you're going to do. You come to add psychomotor skills. You come to the upper right corner here of your screen, the administrative dashboard. You click on add psychomotor skills. And when you click on add psychomotor skills, you'll be met with two tabs here. Now, the first tab is the one that tells you to select which class group you want. Let us say we're selecting our junior secondary school group, primary section, secondary section. And of course, in case you don't know how to group your classes, check this link above and it will take you to where you can manage class grouping in real time. So you come to junior secondary school, and of course that means everything is applied to only junior secondary school, but no, let us have it to main school group. Now what you're going to do is type in the psychomotor skill name you want to have. Take for example, let us say the psychomotor skill we want to establish here is gymnastics. So let us say gymnastics. Now all you need to do is click on save on this psychomotor skill name. So once you click on save, it says psychomotor skill added successfully. Now when you come from the top screen to the lower part of the screen, you'll discover that the psychomotor skill has already been added and the name has been added, and of course it's been activated. Now these psychomotor skills can be activated or deactivated as the case may be. Take for example, you can effortlessly click on this switch here and tap on yes, deactivate, and it directly deactivates your psychomotor skill. And that means this psychomotor skill is going to be invisible. And when you actually come to activate, it simply means you have activated your psychomotor skill. And of course, the best way to do this is just leave it activated unless you do not want to have the psychomotor skill appearing on your screen. So if you enjoyed this video, click on the subscribe button, click on the notification icon, and of course, you like this video, so click on the like button. And we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.